In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fillable form in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to click on the form builder right here underneath forms. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the online form builder widget page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So on the left hand side, you have over 390 different fillable form templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive live preview of what the selected template will feel and look like on your Webflow website. Now bear in mind that all of these templates that you see right here on the left hand side are fully customizable, both in terms of design and functionality. So don't worry about the initial look just yet, because like I said, we can change pretty much anything that you see on the screen. Now this right here is for desktop, but if you click on the mobile icon, you also get a mobile preview of the form as well. So what I recommend you to do is to browse through the different templates. They're also categorized down here by type. So for example, if you want to have a membership form, click on membership and choose the type of form that you're looking for, or the one that most closely resembles your ideal form. Then go ahead and click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen, and that will take us to the page where we can start customizing your form to your liking. So the first thing you want to do here is decide what type of fields you want to have on your fillable form. So in my particular case, I have over 10 different fields here, and I'm going to get rid of some. So to remove any field, go ahead and click on the three dots next to it, and then click on delete. You can also go ahead and duplicate and edit them as well. Now, if you want to add new fields, simply go ahead and click on the plus field icon right here, and then choose the type of field that you want. So for example, long text, customize it, and then click on done, and it will automatically be added to your fillable form. Now alternatively, what you can do is also rely on Elfsight's AI form generator. This is a brand new feature that you can take advantage of to build a completely bespoke fillable form from scratch. All you have to do is describe here or enter the prompt for the type of form that you're looking for, and then click on generate. I do recommend you to read these notes down here beneath, just so you can get an idea of how this works. Once you're done with building out the field section of your form, on the bottom here, you also see header, submit button, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your fillable form. So for example, if you go to the header section right here, which is this text right here on the top, you can see the title and the caption. You can also go ahead and add the cover image, a logo, and change the alignment of the header text. And if you don't want to have a header at all, you can simply disable it, and then the header will be removed. In my case, I'm going to keep it, and basically the same goes for the submit button, footer, and success message. It's all very self-explanatory, as you can see. So yeah, take your time, customize this to your liking, and then once you're done with building out your form, on the left hand side you also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are even more customizations that you can take advantage of. So for example, if I just want to show you quickly how to change the appearance, go to the appearance tab. The current color scheme is light. I can change to dark. I can change the accent color, which is for the button down here, to let's say green, just like that. I can change the style of the form, and then obviously the font. And if you want to, you can also change very specific elements of the form, like the background, the header, the form fields, and so forth. Like I mentioned previously, I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can change. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with building out your form, go ahead and click on that website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your fillable form will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So the top right corner of the screen, you will see this green publish button. Click it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, or if you're just testing out Elfsight, this is a good plan to go for. Do bear in mind that this comes with some Elfsight branding. So if you want your fillable form to be 100% ad free, or if you want to take advantage of any of the premium functionalities and features they see right here, such as having more than one widget from Elfsight on your Webflow website, then you should go for one of their premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your fillable form widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Webflow editor right here, and what I've gone ahead and done is added a brand new new section, which is where I want my fillable form to go. In your particular case, you don't need to have a new section. You can actually go ahead and add your form anywhere you want on your Webflow website. But in my case, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to add it right here. So highlight the section that you want to add your form to, and then click on the plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen, and then search for code in this field here. Then click on code embed. That's going to open up this window. Simply paste the code that we just copied from Elfside, click on save and close, and then all you have to do is go ahead and publish the changes, and then give it a couple of seconds to update, and all you have to do is preview the website and see if the form is exactly where we want it to go. So let's preview that. As you can see, here's the website, and if you go on, here is my fillable form. It's super nice and clean. As you can see, it's fully functioning and it works exactly as intended. This down here is the little Elfside branding that I talked about. You can get rid of it by going for one of the premium plans. And by the way, this panel here, don't worry about it. This is only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the form while it's still live on your Webflow website, so you never have to start from scratch. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a fillable form in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.